Buenos dias. This morning we are finishing the final segment of the fence. We're just taking all of the trash and debris, plant debris, on the property and just bringing it to the corner of the fence so that the dogs and the topos, the little groundhogs, or no, gophers, so they can't get in. You love the hoe. You love this tool, Maggie. She freaks out at it. So yeah, just pushing everything there to the corner for optimum protection for our potatoes. It's been 3 days of building this fence. Every moment we don't have an exact plan. We just meet together and say, how can we use some of this trash and put it into this fence? And first we started out with these plastic drip lines and making this grid-like system, and then we took the cardboard and we put the cardboard, which was just laying all around the property, in between the drip lines, and then for the last bit of protection we just took all the dried shrubbery and put it onto that edge so that los perros no pueden llegar en nosotros lugar para los papas y camote. Not the best Spanish, but I'm doing my best to convey the vibe. Alright, let's go see what's going on in the kitchen. Maggie has been doing her job of her breed, which is to herd the pigs. So Valentine and the other pigs, they like to go out and forage over there, which is fine, but Maggie checks in on them and brings them in towards the farm, and Trino's so happy because that's what she's literally bred to do. When some of the members of the tribe are on the outskirts, she goes and annoys them and pushes them into the communal areas because you're a herding dog, my love. I know, you're the best. I love you so much. Just filling my belly on homemade from scratch tortillas and bean tacos. Siesta time. It's hot out there. I edit, and Maggie sits right below me on the cold tile. Yeah, go back to bed, my love. Good night. Wow, I just completely forgot about the idea of cleaning. It's just not really relevant to me right now. I'm just gonna get dirty again. Ooh, just had a little nap time siesta. Well, you did. I edited and worked and talked to my dad all the way in the United States. Oh, look at that tiredness. I love you, Maggie. I love you when you're tired. So cute. She's been going hard. She herds the pigs. She plays with the dogs. She's dirty. Farm life is for you, huh? Yes, you're a farm dog. I'm a farm boy. This is where we belong. And we get to take naps because Trino is so chill and lets us do whatever we want. Albert and Trino are still pretty camera shy, but they are such characters. You guys have no idea the stories that these guys have. Am I starting to look pretty weathered? I'm feeling weathered, but it feels good. It feels natural. We're gonna check on our tomato transplants that we planted the other day, making sure that they're still perky. Oh yeah, nice and upright and perky. Planting in those new root systems to stay strong. Hey! You're lucky there's nothing planted there. Hey, get off! No! 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 Time for me to take a bath. I'm so relaxed here. It's like, it's nice having a home. It's nice having a relaxed home in nature. This is where we poop. It's just a hole down there. Bring your own toilet paper. BYOTP. It's pizza night. We got a handmade dough with zucchini, tomato sauce, barbecue, and potato and spices. Got no vegan cheese. Got no real tomatoes. Should have gotten tomatoes. This is the oven right now, just a pot with a ceramic brick in there on a fire, but later this will be the oven when we patch it up with dirt and clay and mud and cement. Pretty cool, huh, Mags? Now we add nooch and aguacate and cilantro. Wow, we are blessed to have great food every night. This is a pizza with avocado, zucchini, potatoes, barbecue sauce, ketchup. I'm gonna throw some nutritional yeast on there. I just fed Maggie. Plantains. Wow. I'll give you a bite. I'll give you a bite, beautiful. Let's just be grateful for where we are. Pretty speechless because I'm tired because I have a full-time job now. I am one of 3 integral members of the community trying to run and create a permaculture farm of animals, by the way, none of which are being sold or being used for their products for meat. None of the animals are being killed here, not the pigs, chickens, goats, everyone is not even for sale. They're all family members here, and the dogs, and we're gonna sell fruits and vegetables to make money. Boom. I happened to land on a vegan farm. What? Just a little farm dog and her farm friend working on a farm and growing vegetables. We just planted cilantro seeds at night after the pizzas. It was so fun, and it's better to plant them at night because when we pour water on them, they stay moist and get hydrated, those seeds which have been dried for so long, so that they can sprout into beautiful cilantro, and everybody cooks with cilantro here, so that's a big seller. We planted a bunch of rows of it, and I gotta stay until I see all of these vegetables come to fruition. Oh my god, I'm exhausted. Who am I kidding? Much love, Dream Extreme. This is hard work, doing the vlog thing and the full-time farm work thing, but it's awesome.